Hi everyone, welcome back to Aarogya Foods. Today we are going to see how to make no bread sandwich which is healthy for breakfast. For this, let's take 1 cup of moong dal, 1 cup of oats, half cup of makhana, wash it thoroughly and soak it for minimum 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drain the water and put everything into a mixer jar. For this, add 1 inch of ginger, few coriander leaves, 4 garlic pieces, 1 green chilli, half teaspoon of pepper powder, salt to taste, and add little water and make thick paste. Batter should be slightly thick, do not add more water, make a thick paste. For this, you can add vegetables as you wish. I have taken few fine chopped onion pieces, capsicum and carrot, and here half teaspoon of little baking soda so that it comes with little fluffy. Now grease the toaster with little oil and pour the butter. You can add ghee or butter as well. I just used a small amount of oil and pour the batter, close the lid and cook on low medium heat for both the sides. Both the sides cook for a minimum to 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's ready to serve with ketchup or any mint chutney. If you like any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Bye bye.